Here I am, unemployed, questioning everything about what I've done. Hi, I'm Kason. Welcome to my channel, Midlife Kason. If you're interested in seeing how I'm going to replace my 9-to-5 income without a job, stick around, like and subscribe. So you may be wondering, what kinds of things am I going to be doing? And this video isn't really for that, but you can see some of those ideas floating around me right now. This video is to introduce myself to the world. Who am I? I'm Kason. I live in St. Pete, Florida, about to turn 40 in October, and so I'm having a little bit of a midlife crisis. I just got laid off from my job, having some health issues. I've got 4 kids and a wife, and I'm the only one who's financially provided for this family. So you may be wondering, how am I going to replace my income without a regular job? I'm wondering that too. The reality is, I've never done anything like this before. I've never really had the time to sit down and start doing things because I've always been employed. I've considered starting side hustles, but with a big family and being actively involved in my community, I haven't really seen a way to get into all these different things that I want to do. While I have been in corporate America for the last 16 years and I do have some business skills to bring to the table, I've never started anything from scratch. So I'm not an expert and I can't promise you anything. And so I'm not going to be like all those other videos where I claim to be an expert and I'm going to walk you through and tell you every step to become successful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try lots of different things. I'm going to see if any of them stick and if I'm actually able to be successful in any of these things. You're going to see me try different things. You're going to see me fail. You're going to see me succeed, hopefully. But if I only fail, at least you know what not to do. If I succeed, then you'll know exactly the steps that I followed to do it. I came up with all these different ideas because over the last 5 or 6 years, I've watched tons of videos, took courses, spent a lot of time thinking about what's my side hustle going to be? How am I going to break free from corporate America? And now I have all of this free time after being laid off from my job. You may also feel similar, like, man, I don't want to work a regular 9-to-5 job anymore. And I get it, trust me. So follow me, watch what I do. Another thing that I plan to do in this channel is to walk you through some of the ways that I'm coping with this midlife crisis. And I believe I actually have the key to help you if you're dealing with a midlife crisis. So wait for that video later on. Thanks for watching my very first video. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for my next video, which is going to be all about how I created this video and really launched my YouTube and all the steps I took to do that. And hopefully it will be my first source of income. We'll see. Now, watch this animation that I made of myself getting a tattoo because I'm having a midlife crisis.
All done. All done.